Hello Hoopers, my name is Supriya and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to do a breakdown of how to enter into wedgies. This is basically from my Instagram page where you guys selected the third option, which was how to enter into your wedgies. I had shown you 4 variations and you guys have chosen the third one. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So for this, first what you do is keep the hoop in between your legs like this. Then take your left leg, lock it by the side in the ankle. Then take your right leg, stretch and keep it outside the hoop so that you can create this tension. Okay, you're gonna create this tension like this. Then once you release it, this will bounce off and you will duck and come out into a wedgie and immediately use your left hand to push. Okay, now we're going to do it again. So keeping the hoop in the center, bringing your left leg into ankle lock, then your right leg in for the ankle lock, then creating the tension. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release, get in. Okay, one more time. I did not create enough tension. So from here, starting from the top, what you do is keep the hoop straight on the ground, take your left leg and lock it by the ankle like this. Okay, stand straight, bring your right leg forward, not here, bring it forward and lock. So this is how it looks from the front. Okay, now you see this tension that's created. This is exactly what we need to push the hoop like this. Okay, so continue with keeping it straight. Again, from the front I'm showing you, left leg in, right leg in, cross, create tension. 1, 2, 3. And once you're here, release, duck in and go into wedgies. Very sorry plants, very sorry. Don't do that at home, guys. Okay, so this is how you get into wedgies. So coming back from here, you can go again from the sides. I'm just going to show you a different angle. So from here, we're going to do the locking. 3, 2, 1. Release and this time push from left side if you're going from there. So yeah, that's how you get from ankle lock to wedgies. I hope you enjoyed the video, and for more such fun tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let me know what else would you like to learn. And I love to teach, so please let me know. All right, happy hooping, guys.